we're gonna lose some fucking weight. Hi guys, welcome. I'm Drea. Thanks for joining me today. So today, I Am Keto OMAD is gonna commence. Let's jump into it. Today, this is where I'm starting from. This is exactly what it is. Starting from, gonna change, even that shit. Today is January 3rd, 2020, and we are gonna start making some changes, losing some weight, and getting happier. Because, you gotta have self-confidence in what you already have. You gotta own it. You gotta work with it. You gotta do what you can with what you have. And now that we're in it to change, to get better, to look better, to feel better, to be overall, just better, let's get to it. For my I Am Keto OMAD, that is intermittent fasting, keto, of course, the ketogenic diet, and 1 meal a day. This has substantially helped me lose weight. I was one of those people that just could not lose weight. I, eat well, do a lot of fruits and vegetables and all of that, and I still couldn't lose weight. I would work out, go to the gym, still super hard for me to lose weight. It took a really long time for me to get from this to this. And now, since being in nursing school, all I do is sit, come home and sit to study, sit in lecture, sit on the drive there and home, which is not long, thank God. But still, sitting nonetheless does not help. So this time when I do my I Am Keto OMAD, I am going to incorporate exercise. Working out, HIIT workouts, weightlifting, all 9 yards. All 9 yards. Whatever the phrase is. But I'm gonna do it all this time. So I've already started the I Am Keto OMAD. It is going well. It is a little bit of a struggle, especially when I don't have that much to do at home. But nonetheless, it's working and we're working it. I have done a little bit bad because of the holidays, drinking a little bit more than I should be, eating a little bit more than I should be, definitely having too many sweets. But I absolutely love them and it was fine. And now it's time to get back on that grind. Now, I know you're thinking, why should I watch this girl who is not fully in shape yet, who doesn't look like any of the models, and does not wear a size 6? And that's because I'm a real person. I'm the real deal. I'm the real thing. This is where people, not everybody, a lot of people start from. A lot of people are worse off than me. A lot of people are just where I'm at. A lot of people are better than me. Did I just say that? More fit than me, not better, because everyone is amazing in their own right. So, this is why you should watch me, come with me on this journey, subscribe to my channel. Oh, fuck, I forgot to say that in the beginning. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Like and comment, please. Be nice. That is a huge thing. I will not deal with any negativity on this channel. It's all positive, happy, just trying to encourage and help other people while I help myself. So, let's get this journey going together. Why not? Everybody needs that motivation. Everybody needs that extra push. Everybody needs somebody else to be accountable for. It's very hard to get motivated, to stay motivated, and to motivate others while you're trying to do for yourself. But you and I, we got each other, so let's get to it. So for my Keto OMAD, I'm just gonna go over a little bit how I'm doing it. So what works with my schedule is I do my intermittent fasting all day long. So while I'm sitting in class and driving home, driving to work, all of that, I don't eat. I'll have water, I'll have tea. That's pretty much it, is just water and tea. Flavor does help a lot because water gets really boring really fast. But it's very good for your hair, skin, your nails. I mean, my skin's, doing a lot better than it was. I do have a big one coming in right now, but that's okay. So I fast all day long. If I do just intermittent fasting, then I usually do it till about 4 p.m. and then I stop eating at 9. So I have a little 5-hour window to eat. But when I am extremely strict for my I Am Keto OMAD, I will not eat until about 8 o'clock. I'll probably take that 8 to 9:30, about an hour and a half time frame to eat. Now I know they say that you need to eat within an hour, and I do that most of the time. Also, when I'm being very, very strict, I do not drink, because for my body type and how it works, I do not have the fastest metabolism. And so when I drink, the alcohol, even a truly, bloats me and slows my metabolism down and makes me feel fatigued or lethargic. Even with the 5%, I know it's mostly water or whatever, but still it affects me. So I do not drink alcohol, even though who doesn't love getting lit? I mean, come on, let's be real. Now, for keto, you can have tequila, but still, that's even worse. That one makes me super bloaty, and I literally won't even fit into the same pants the day after I drink. And I'm just dead tired. Anyway, so that is for my instant messaging. Intermittent fasting. And for keto, I do the regular keto. I try to always have a lot of fruits and vegetables that I can. Within my hour, I'll have raspberries and a salad and a steak, meat, eggs, bacon, a burger, whatever works for you for keto. I'll even do pizza, because I love Quest Nutrition pizzas. I don't know why, but it's just, it's a decent freaking pizza. So I'll do my best. And then of course I love sweets. So I will do some type of sweet with my one meal a day for my OMAD. It's part of my dessert, part of my meal. So I like it just to keep my sweet tooth from bothering me with the really bad stuff. That's what I do. Now, being in school with I Am Keto OMAD, it is a little bit of torture, because lecture can be treacherous and really heavy and dense sometimes. And a nice snack would be a nice pick-me-up during that time, especially when it's lunchtime and everybody wants to go out to eat because there's so many restaurants around. And yeah, but I mean, it also saves me money. That's why I like it too, because I don't have to eat but once a day, and I have so much time to do other stuff that eating once a day, preparing only one meal a day really works for me. I mean, I have my boyfriend, we live together and all of that, and so making just dinner so much easier and so much nicer on the wallet as well, if I do say so myself. It does definitely save some money and some headache, because I absolutely hate trying to figure out what to eat every day. And a lot of the times he's no help to that. He'll just eat whatever he wants, because he doesn't have this issue. But it's not an issue. Nah, we won't call it an issue. All right, so through this journey and series of videos, I'm going to show you what I eat, a day in the life of, workouts, body parts that I am not exactly thrilled about, that I have specific strength training exercises to do to help those key spots, because I know I'm not the only one who has, bat wings and double chin and just, a lot of stuff that they don't like about themselves. And I'll be honest, there's a lot of things on my body that I absolutely love, and then there's things that I absolutely hate and are doing my best to change and to fix. And I don't know why it's taking me this long to really get into the groove of things, working out, getting healthy, being better. But you know what? It's time. It's never too late. Just start, get it done. Let's get going. So I'm going to insert my measurements as well, you know, for circumference of the arms, the waist, the thighs, the hips, all of that stuff, so we can see our progress, see how it's going. And I advise you guys to do the same so that you can keep track of exactly how much you have lost, even if it's just inches, maybe not poundage. I don't ever worry too much about the scale because I want to go by how I look in the mirror naked. That's always how I love to do it, or how my clothes fit, what less bulges I can see, you know, rolls that are gone. Now, a lot of people do worry about the scale. I don't worry too much about it. I weigh about 100 and I want to say like 82 pounds right now. Oh my God, 182 pounds, big fucking deal. Okay, so get that out of the way. I, you know, still look pretty damn good for 182 pounds. So that's besides the point. I mean, I look a little rough today, but it's because I'm at home doing this for you guys. But that's okay. Anyway, so we will start with that weight. Write down your weight, write down your goal weight. My goal weight is about 145, 150. I don't want to be a toothpick. I want to be slim thick. I want to keep my curves. I just want to and tighten that shit up and, you know, just have a banging summer body. And if you follow me, we can do this together. We can get through this. We can lose that weight by the summertime. That is my craziness outside. That is my definite goal, is to look bomb by summer, because that's also when I graduate nursing school. So you know, you girls gotta look good, because we're gonna be going on vacation, hopefully, God willing, and you know, just being around family, having fun, going to the beach. I absolutely love going to the beach. You guys are coming to the beach with me this year, and we can just, you know, be super fucking confident starting out this decade. Like, it's a whole new decade. We can start being confident. So yeah, I hope you will join me on this journey. I'm sorry that was just a lot of talking, but I just wanted to explain to you guys a little bit about myself and a little bit about what is going to happen, what are we going to be doing, what I'm going to be showing you, and you know, just where we started and where we want to end up. I want to end up like that picture, but even better than my end picture from earlier last year. And that change only took me 3.5 months to get done. And that's a big feat, because it was really so fucking extremely hard for me to lose weight. And I finally did it. Finally found something that worked for me. And, you know, I just felt so confident, so happy. And I'm still happy. But I do want to get fit again. I do want to get back in shape. I do want to, you know, look bomb, girl. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe down low. Even if you didn't like it, that's fine. I'm not too worried about that. But, you know, just start this journey with me. Bye, guys.